So I studied digital marketing in classroom-based learning, similar to the Institute of Code, but it was part-time, 2 nights a week, and in kind of a small, dark room with only one instructor and a teaching aide. And although that was great, I know for coding, which is basically like learning a language, it's not the greatest environment for it. So the great thing about the Institute of Code was that, one, it was really immersive. We had 4 students per teacher. So, I mean, that ratio is crazy. And also being able to be in such a beautiful environment where you're nourishing your body with yoga every day, delicious food. And one day I was really stressed because my code wasn't working. So I dived in the pool and I came back so refreshed and able to take on the next challenge. So I definitely recommend this way of learning. Coding is a language and you need to immerse yourself into it in a stress-free environment as possible. So yeah, best way to learn. So I work at a digital marketing agency that focuses on website optimization, and learning to code has really given me such an advancement over other people doing the same role as me, because not only can I now talk to the tech developers and understand what they're talking about and make their job easier, I can also take initiative and code things myself and then give it to the developers and say, this is what you need to do and this is how long it's going to take and this is how easy it is, which just my other colleagues can't do. So it's just opened up a world of opportunity for me and really given me so many possibilities in terms of my career. One of the coolest things for me was how excited everyone was to code. I mean, when we started, we thought 6 hours of coding a day, that's pretty intense. You know, I don't think I could imagine doing more than that. But when it's broken up between, you know, swims in the pool and activities, and the coding itself is so interesting and so exciting, you don't want to stop coding. You don't want to just rest by the pool and read a book. You want to stay up late, drinking wine, chatting and coding until midnight. Not every night, but that's how excited we were. When I was having a massage, all I could think about was, I want to be coding right now. I don't care about how relaxing this is, I want to be coding. So that was pretty exciting. And everyone has such a great vibe and energy that you all support each other and encourage each other to code. So I guess the aha moment for me when I realized I enjoyed coding was on the first day when we made our first kind of demo website. So it was just a 1-page simple website, but we did it in 2 hours and it looked really sleek. It was almost like a little portfolio. And if this is what I can do in 2 hours, imagine what I can learn in 10 days. And then imagine where I can go with this. It's pretty crazy. So the mentors were amazing. We had 3 mentors and 10 students, which was crazy intense in terms of the amount of help they could give you. We had one from Mexico, one from Australia. So their skills were also very different because one was a digital nomad, yet one worked in industry. And they were just so helpful, so supportive, and we've been in touch with them since, and they're always happy to jump on Skype and give some help if you haven't finished your portfolio yet. So yeah, definitely great one-on-one help. And they were always willing to stay back late in the evening and help out if you were still excited to keep coding.